good evening viewers, this is Ali from Price Fashions, and today I'll be going to show you all exclusive tussar with zari and without zari border also, and some gachi also. So these are all exclusive and puja collection which I am going to unveil now. So before I start, I will request my viewers to please subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. So let's display the sari. So this is the tussar without zari border. As you can see, it's a gun spray. It's shades of blue, froza, green, yellow, red, orange. So many colors we have put it there. So this is the all over look. See the pallu. This is the pallu of the sari, and all over. I'll just show how it will look. It's amazing, very colorful, and all our exclusive collection which I am showing today. So this is the all over look of the sari. This is the all over look. Amazing color combination. Just see the shades of color. How many colors we have put it. This is the all over look of the sari. And the blouse. This is the blouse and border is there. So this is the blouse. This is the tussar without zari. There is no zari. So this is the border, and it's a hand painting. As you can see, the birds are sitting on the tree. So this will come to the from pallu till shoulder. This design will come. And on the skirt, this design will come. This will come to the skirt. Just show how it will look. So these are all exclusive ones. So this is the all over look of the sari, and this is the pallu. Amazing sari, amazing color combination, design, and just show you this skirt design. So this will come like this, and it has got the blouse with the orange piping. So this is the blouse of the sari. So this is again a zari border tussar, and it's a ajrak hand block print. As you can see, the combination of maroon, of white and grey is also there, and pallu a border is maroon color, and see the pallu. So in this pallu there is no stripe zari, only on border there is no stripe zari on the pallu. So that's why I have given this design. It's a diamond shape. It's a very unique and new design. This is a ajrak block print. Just have a look the color combination, and I'll just show how it will look. See the pallu. This is the pallu of the sari. So this is the all over look. This is all over look, and this is the pallu. Amazing sari. And the blouse is maroon. This is the blouse. This is a zari border tussar, and it's a shades of red and orange. As you can see, it's a gun spray all over the body, and see the border. Just see the border. It's a discharge print, and it's a very traditional print. As you can see on the pallu, this is the pallu of the sari, and both side border. Amazing. This is my favorite, and for puja, this is the ideal sari, I will say. It's very gorgeous and very striking, red and orange combination. This is the look of the sari. Very pretty sari, and this is the pallu. Just see the pallu, and see the border. I love this border so much. Just see the print. It's a very traditional border. So this is the all over look of the sari, and there is a blouse. Blouse is red with the border is there. This is the blouse of the sari. The zari border tussar, and it's a combination of froza, and it's a navy blue. It's a deep navy blue, and just see the combination. It's a floral painting on the skirt. This design is very in, and just show how it will look when you drape. So this is the all over look of the sari, and this is the pallu. Amazing sari, amazing color combination. So this is the all over look, and there is a blouse. So this is the blouse of the sari. This is the same sari which I have just shown in the previous one. So this is the same design in different combination. That one has only navy blue, but this has, you can see the shades of grey, froza and indigo blue. It's not indigo, it's a navy blue. And just see the color combination. This is the all over look of the sari. I'll just show how it will look. So this is the new pattern shaded on this design. So this is the new who loves shaded, they must have this sari. It's a very exclusive and very designer piece. And this has the blouse. This is the blouse of the sari. This is the zari border tassel again with the kalamkari print. Just see the color combination first. It's olive green and shades of yellow is there also, and off white. So this is the green and navy blue pallu border and blouse. I'll just show how it will look in dress. So this is the all over look of the sari. Just see the peacock motif is also there. So this is the all over, and there is a blouse. This is the blouse of the sari. Zari border, it's a gachi tussar and it's a combination of orange and red. As you can see, it's a body color. It's a red and pallu border and blouse is orange. This is the blouse. So it's a combination of red and orange. And just see the detailing of this painting. It's the shades of grey, orange. I'll just show how it will look. So all the puja collection which I am showing, and COD facilities available only in central Kolkata. For other states you have to drop the money through phone pay, Google Pay and or bank transfer. So this is the all over look of the sari, and it has got the blouse. This is the blouse of the sari. It's a deep navy blue with pallu is a multicolor. As you can see the shades of orange and red. It's a sunset shade. Pallu and blouse same, and this has got the special woven zari. As you can see, it's a temple. It's a very exclusive one. So it's a midnight blue. So this is hand painting. This is a hand painting. I'll just show you the detailing. It's all a designer piece and all puja collection I'm showing. So all are marvelous sari and it's all designer piece. So this is the look of the sari. And see the pallu. Amazing sari. And it has got the blouse, the shaded blouse. The gachi tussar, as you can see, it's a hand painting. It's a combination of black and peach color. Just see. This is the from pallu till shoulder. This design will come, and on skirt. I'll just show you the detailing of this painting and how it will look when you drape. So this is the all over look of the sari. This is the pallu. And there is the blouse. This is the blouse of the sari. This is a deep wine maroon color base color, and it also has got the zari border, pallu and border, and it's a hand painting. As you can see, it's a bird. So this is the all over look. I'll just show how it will look when you drape. So this is totally hand painting, and please don't forget to subscribe and follow our page on Facebook also. So this is a deep wine maroon color, and this is the all over look. Just see. There is a blouse. This is the blouse of the sari. It's a tie and dye all over. So this is the look of the sari. This is a pallu, and this is all over. I'll just show how it will look when you drape the sari. So these are all pure tussar and silk mark certified. So this is the all over look and pallu, and the blouse, the running blouse. This is the running blouse. So thank you so much for watching, and if you truly like our collections and designs, so please don't forget to share, like and subscribe. And booking procedure is very simple. You just have to take the screenshot of the sari and send it to the WhatsApp number. It's given on the screen. It's 8296897264, and COD facilities available only in Central Kolkata. For other states, you have to drop money through GPay or PhonePe or bank online transfer. So after receiving the payment, then we dispatch the sari.